Kamanchaka's mussels are farmed in the pure, cold waters of the Pacific Ocean off the island of Chiloé in Chilean Patagonia. The Chilean mussel is unique, 100% natural, and high quality. Having grown in the waters of the cold Humboldt Current, renowned for its high quality and purity, Kamanchaka's mussels are wholesome and nutritious, rich in protein, vitamins, and omega-3. Moreover, they are farmed in an environmentally and socially responsible manner, which has earned the company important certifications. Kamanchaka has more than 1,000 hectares of aquaculture concessions for mussel farming located in 3 large, fully operational farming areas. Our facilities permit high farming efficiency, while our vertical process integration allows control throughout the entire cycle, from seed to sale of the final product. The process of producing the best mussels begins with catching larvae naturally in the estuaries of the Los Lagos region. After some months, the seeds are transported to the farming sites, where they adhere to culture ropes up to 8 meters below the ocean surface. There they remain for about a year, until they reach commercial size and weight. As filtering bivalves, mussels constantly feed, without human intervention, on nutrients in seawater. Upon harvest, the mussels are transported to a modern processing plant in Rauco. This highly automated plant, with a processing capacity of up to 27,000 tons of mussels per year, is strategically located near the farming sites, ensuring raw material freshness. In accordance with the strictest quality and food safety standards, the mussels are thoroughly cleaned, cooked, and separated into mussel meat and whole mussels. They are then glazed and individually quick frozen, thus fully preserving their freshness, texture, color, moisture, and delicate flavor of the sea. These high production standards allow the company to access the world's most demanding markets and have earned its certification by the BRC.